Hey everybody, so there's a new monthly filament subscription in town and we want to tell you about it. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And I'm Zachary.
And together we are Fun King 3D. Alright, so we're really excited about this new service, and in fact I was so excited about it that I couldn't wait to cut the boxes open and check it out beforehand. And I know that's a big no-no in the world of YouTube, but I did it anyway, so you guys miss me cutting some tape. But we are willing to show you what was in that box, and it comes just like that in a nice vacuum sealed roll with a few things inside of the bag, which would be the roll, some twist ties so that you can seal it up if you want to take it off of the spool, a desiccant pack, and a label for your spool. Now, I have a ton of things that I want to tell you, but I think the easiest way to tell you is to let you watch this little clip. We'll be right back.
Your filament currently gets delivered on spools. They add shipping cost and weight and are hard to recycle. Rhino3d solves this problem with the Rhino Reel. We don't use spools, so our delivery is 25% lighter. You can print a reusable spool with our provided design, or purchase one directly from us. Just put a new coil onto your reusable spool each time you run out of material. Our membership saves you 20% on monthly coil purchases. Receive two 0.75 kilogram coils every month for $39.99. You can choose colors like black, white, and blue, just to name a few. Or you can opt for the monthly mystery filament, a filament chosen by us with a unique look of its own. You can pause or cancel your membership at any time, or even skip a specific month if you know you'll be out of town. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for the Rhino Reel membership today.
Alright, so I hope that video was informative enough and told you everything that I needed to tell you so that we didn't miss anything. But either way, I am going to tell you a few more things, and that is that when you take the filament out of the bag, all of the zip ties are pushed to the middle like this. You need to move them out to the outside before you put them on your spool, which brings us to the spool. You want to put that on the spool?
Yes. Good.
So the spools are a printable, reusable spool, and this particular file came from Rhino3d. They sent us the STL files, and it's exactly the same on both halves. So it's the same file, and you're going to print that twice. It lines up and goes together just like that. What?
You steal the spool from me, you take it apart, and you put it back together. Why didn't you just give it to me in the two pieces?
Because it's such an amazing opportunity and experience. This gives you the chance to really get a feel for it too. Did I put it too tight for you?
I think you did.
There you go.
Thank you.
You can't mess with your kids. Who can you mess with?
No one.
So there is one other thing that really, really excites me about this service. I mean, I love the fact that I can sign up and have filament dropped to my house every month, which
already happens.
Which is awesome. It is true. But this particular service was actually founded by one of the original co-founders of the MakerBox. And we love the MakerBox. So it's just kind of a new extension or a cousin to. And my first thought with this is it wasn't going to have the luster of MakerBox because we knew what we were getting. But no, there is an option for a mystery filament. And that mystery filament is going to aim to be something unique every month. So you can pick your color, you can pick both your colors, or you can pick a color and the mystery filament. And I suppose if you wanted two mystery filaments, maybe they'd give you two. I'm not really sure. I mean, it would be the same thing twice, but so you'd either get two really great things or two things you hated.
Yeah.
So
it's kind of like really risky.
It is, and I want to give you guys a rundown on the color because I know that little video did not list a lot of the colors, and I'm going to cheat and read this because there's quite a few. It's black, blue, yellow, green, red, natural, white, purple, silver, and orange.
9 colors.
Excellent, excellent. That's why I keep you around. It's just for extra stuff like that.
Yeah, I can count.
So once you got your filament on the spool and you cut your zip ties, you are good to go with a great running filament. And we are going to do a separate review on this and really break down the filament itself. This particular video is about the service, and we want you to go try it. It is at rhino3d.com, and you can also follow them on Twitter at rhino3d. So, is that it? We need to jazz it up. Here, let's do this. I'm going to put their URL right down here. And I want to do that for you so that you can go there and get signed up and get some filament of your own. Was that fancy enough?
Yeah, I guess.
Just guess?
Mm-hmm.
Should we, one more level?
I don't know.
How about if we give them an opportunity to win a 1-month subscription?
My face hurts now.
Well, you should do it twice just to see if it still works. Yeah, and now you got finger marks on your face. If you check down in the description, there's going to be a link to a Gleam Contest, and that Gleam Contest is going to give you the opportunity to win a 1-month subscription to the Rhino Reel service through Rhino3d. Now, I do have to say that this giveaway is not endorsed or sponsored by YouTube in any way, shape, or form, but it is very much endorsed by us and very much endorsed and sponsored by Rhino3d. You can check their stuff out over at rhino3d.com. Definitely follow that link down there and get in on the Gleam Contest so that you can stand a chance to win a monthly subscription as well. Is that it?
I think so.
We're excited. Definitely go check it out. If you have any feedback either way, let us know. If you have questions, you can ask us and we'll try to find out for you, or you can reach out directly to rhino3d.com. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated. And until next time, as always, print on.